Hello friends, in this video you will learn about classes and IDs in HTML. Here is the explanation HTML document. See, we know about HTML, head part and style, title. Here is the body. In this body, we will discuss about classes and IDs. What is the class? Class is an attribute. See this. This is the attribute name. This is the attribute value. I am giving attribute value as class. You can give whatever you want. And what is the use of class attribute? Class attribute is created for to make change on specific element. Which element you want to make change on particular element, that is happens with the use of class. Where we are using class to make modification is we can use this class in two places. One is in style sheets, another one is with JavaScript. See, in the style sheet we use like with this data class to make change on that specific element. Then this class, see this class attribute value, this class attribute value, and both are same. So you can give multiple element with same class attribute value. That is possible. So you can change multiple elements at the same time with the same class attribute value like this. These two elements. One is div is the black element, span is the inline element. Both elements are getting affected by the class. Then comes to the IDs. ID also attribute. This is the ID is attribute name. This ID 001 is attribute value. In this, what is the use of ID? ID is the unique one. Means in this document you can give unique IDs. You don't use multiple ID attribute values on more than once. That is not possible in one document. Like then what is the use of ID? Same as class, we are using this ID in style sheet and JavaScript. In style sheet we using with hash ID 001 to make change on some particular element like this H3 and P. When this is the see this ID is different, ID attribute value is different, this ID attribute value is different. See how we are changing these elements with style sheet. See, this is the style part, style tag. In this, to make the change on class elements, dot class we need to use. In this, I am changing font size 20 pixel, background color yellow. For the IDs, using hash ID 001 to make change on those elements. Font size is 30 pixel, background color is orange. Comes to the second ID, hash ID 007. This font size is 40 pixel, background color is light blue. This is the effects on this. Now I didn't discuss about the JavaScript because we know up to now we are discussing in these videos HTML and CSS. When there is the need, when we are discussing JavaScript, we will surely know about this. But I will give little information about this JavaScript using class. There is the one method is there. Get element. To get these elements in JavaScript, we need to use one method, that is get element by class name. That is the method. In that method, we need to give this class with double quotes. Then that method can access this class elements. The same way for id, get element by id. In that method, we need to give id001 with double quotes. Then that JavaScript can access these IDs. This is the information. See what is on the web page when we are open this file. See this. This is the effects. When the class with the class, the style can change font size 20 pixel and background color yellow. See this. This one is div element part class blah blah blah, and this blah 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 is span element 1, and comes to the IDs. See this ID 001 background color is orange and that pixel size is 30 pixel. See, then comes to the second ID 001, that is 40 pixel. See that size is incremented continuously. This is the 20 pixel, this is 30 pixel, and this is the 40 pixel. And light blue, background color is light blue. This is the way of using classes and IDs in HTML file. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.